how we schedule our day has constantly evolved over the years. From jotting down events in your diary, or circling dates on a refrigerator calendar, to drowning your work desk in sticky notes. Today, we use online calendars to keep track of what's next. Unveiling the all-new unified Zoho Calendar, a faster and more intuitive interface with powerful features that make scheduling easy across all Zoho apps. So what makes the new calendar better? More than 40 new display languages and a custom grid view that allows you to pick the calendar view that suits you best. Modern themes that brighten up your day, and a night mode that lets you burn the midnight oil. Multiple time zones to choose from make working with teams across the world easier than ever. Zoho Calendar now also has multi-tab support. Add new events, find them easily with the advanced search, and even retrieve deleted events, all without losing context. But that's not all. The new Zoho Calendar comes with resource booking, which means you can now book a meeting room in your organization and send out invites for the meeting, all from one place. You can't make more time, but you can certainly make the most of what you've got. Try the new Zoho Calendar.